Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can book a hotel in South Korea using expedia.co.id. The first you need to of course open your browser and then find the expedia.co.id, and here you need to sign in to the browser first. You can sign in with your Google, Apple or Facebook account. And after you sign in here, you can just go to the stays tab in here, and under the where to box you can just find your destinations, which is South Korea. Okay, so I'm going to just go with this, and here you can find the date. For example, I'm going to go next week's. Click on done. And in here choose how many people are booking. For example, 2 adults. In here you can click on search. Now Expedia will show you with some of the hotel options that you can select it. For example, in here I'm going to use this ones right here. You can click on one of the hotels that you want to choose, and then you can just scroll down and here choose your room. For example, I'm going to go with this traditional room. You can click on reserve, and in here you can choose between you can pay now or you can pay when you arrive at the hotel. So let's click on pay now first. Okay, so you need to fill in the details who is checking in. You can add your names in here, and here you can also add the payment method. For example, if you want to use debit or credit card number, here you need to insert the card number and also the expired date, and after that you can click on complete booking, and here you can see the details of the price that you need to pay. Make sure that the information is correct, and after that you can proceed with the payment. So that's all for me. That's how you can book a hotel in South Korea. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.